Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Python with Dano. So in this class, we will discuss about type conversions or type casting. So both are same. So what does it mean actually? What is type conversions or what is type casting? So converting one data type to other. That is what type conversions. So let me take one new file and save that file first. And see here, save. So I'll save this file on my desktop. See గైస్, మీరు ఏదైనా చేస్తున్నప్పుడు డెస్క్టాప్ మీద క్యాండిడేట్స్ కొత్తగా నేర్చుకున్న వాళ్ళైతే డెస్క్టాప్ మీద సేవ్ చేసుకోండి. సో హియర్ నో నీడ్ టు మెన్షన్ .py extension. So automatically it will save your file with extension of .py. So this tells to your system regarding this file regarding to Python interpreter. So okay, Python package అని ఇంటర్ప్రిటర్కి చెప్తుంది. ఫైన్. సో లెట్ మీ టేక్ one input, so which is stored in variable. See here, I print that n value and I want to check the type of that n value. So here we will get to know the type of your input value by using type method. See here, I have given 454. What? Here I got string. So sad. So what does it mean? So enti Python enduku? So inbuilt Python will take your value as string. By default it will take as string. So see here, I want to convert this string file to int file. So integer type. So here for converting integer type, we have a method int. So here int of n. See, so I want to know about the type of n1. So print type of n1. See here, we will get the int value. We will get integer data type. See here, I'll take 45 number. See, first it taken as string and next it converted into integer value. So integer type. See the difference. By default Python assume input value is string. Okay, next we were converted into int. So we can convert any data type. Next we will go with list. So by using list method we can convert our data type to list. See, by using list method and I want to know about this type of list. See, I am storing the list of n into a list variable. So that's why I want to know the type of that list variable. See, let me save first. Before run you have to save your file and run. For run press F5. See here, enter your value. I will take this time my name, that is Dana. See here, the type of my value is list and it converted into, we can convert this list to tuple by using tuple method. We also convert this list to set. We can also convert tuple to set to dictionary. So by using particular methods, for tuple method, for set method, so for list method, by using those methods we can convert all those data types. So here I'll convert this list to tuple. I already converted. See, next for Adya it converted as tuple. So next I'll take Avish, the tuple to set. See the difference. For list it represented by square brackets. For tuple represented by round brackets. See the difference. Next, for set, we got the output in the form of curly brackets. See the difference. That's it. Nothing else in these conversions. No need to worry. So next, we already discussed in last class, which is about the dictionary. So in this case, I also mentioned another input. First input is for keys and next input is for values. By default it will take like that. So here, for converting dictionary, we will use here dictionary method. So to zip those files, so here I mentioned zip method. So by using zip, so it will zip the value. So first input as keys and next input as values. So see, for first input, let me print this dictionary variable. So and it will tell the, let me print the type of dictionary. So for run, press F5. So before going to run, please save your file, then only you will get output. So let me save that file. So then press F5. So we can also run manually. See, my system got stuck. No worries. Again, see, I'll take keys as Danu. Next, I'll take values as C. So we got the dictionary format. So that is what, guys, nothing else in this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Very soon we will going to start projects, basic projects in Python.